And we're going through something called truth decay that the Rand Corporation um, really coined in the 70s and 80s, that this idea that a society starts to not trust their elected officials and themselves. And in fact, eventually the media and all of it. And we are really going through that moment in civilization and history where we don't trust each other. You, me, Kim. And if we're all trying to do acts of good deeds today, even good deeds are considered something to be heavily scrutinized. And if you have a bias towards the good deed, then it's okay today to actually destroy good deeds as well as bad deeds. I want to make it clear, it seems to be equal. But what I want to tell people is what this movement for me is about with Kim is to start real truth, real dialogue. And I really want us to disagree. I challenge people to come in here and actively disagree with each other. And let's have a great dialogue tonight. We're going to bring up some ideas that some people are going to be a little bit tweaked, just a little bit irked by, and go, wow, this is a little uncomfortable. I challenge you. Don't get angry. Make your points and educate everyone tonight. That's my promise to you is I'm not here to make you feel comfortable, but I am here to tell you I'm going through this with you. I do not have all the answers, but I am here with Kim to start making answers with all of you.